Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree. A very beautiful and alluring combination colors in a big border. Rich sarees here. And here we have a beautiful green pallu with copper jari work. Very elegantly, closely weaved, very elegant pallu. Same color blouse piece with beautiful borders on both sides, which can be used for the sleeves. That itself will make the blouse very grand. And we have a red saree here, a chili red combination. Body is beautiful color, and the buttas are weaved perfectly, closely. And it is also done in copper jari. A fine hand weaving. You can see the finish of the saree with 8-inch border at the top and a 10-inch border at the bottom. The borders also, we have the copper jari work. A finely hand weaved, beautiful saree, an excellent combination color to enrich your festive season with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a very beautiful Ganga Jamuna border, an exclusive collection here with beautiful 10-inch border. Here we have a rust color, a rusty orange, beautiful color pallu. One side you can see the Ganga Jamuna pattern border, that is in green. Excellent design in the pallu, very rich gold zari work, and same rust color blouse piece with one side green in the one side, which can be used for the sleeves. You will get a beautiful blouse, no doubt. And we have 3 beautiful colors in the saree. The border, the top border is here, excellent bottle green color, and you can see the borders having a beautiful bold zari border also, 10 inches one, and we have the wine color concept in the middle portion. The beautiful mango design buttas, it's kanji type, excellent buttas, and the lower part is completely rust color here. Excellent one. The combination of colors are really attractive, very beautiful, completely hand woven, excellent collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful Ganga Jamuna border, big border collection in a very elegant design that is completely in a contrast, and the colors of the saree is really fantastic. You can see a rust color saree, a rusty orange with very beautiful designing in the pallu. Beautiful pallu it is with the border design running in the pallu also. One side you can see the green borders. The same pallu color blouse piece is given, and again in the blouse piece also you have a one color border, that is the green, which can be used for the sleeves, which will give a beautiful look to the saree. Dual color blouse piece you will get. And here the saree here is completely a violet base, beautiful purple and violet mixed shade, and with the Kanjipuram type Buddha collection, and that is the mango design here, golden zari used, and 10 inches border in both sides, and you can see 2 different colors, rust orange color one side, the lower side, and with mango designing, jacquard weaving border in both ends of the border, and we have green in the top, bottle green it is. 3 different and beautiful rich colors, and it completely hand woven saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a 10-inch border, very beautiful creation in Ganga Jamuna pattern. Here we have a beautiful light mehendi green color pallu with very elegant gold jari work, and one side we have dark maroon borders. Same concept blouse piece with the one side big border, which can be used for the sleeves. The blouse we will get in a very beautiful concept, and we have a wine color saree, dark magenta pink mixed with black to get a beautiful wine shade, that is having a very elegant Kanjipuram buttas, mango design. On the top we have the maroon borders, and the lower bottom we have the mehendi green color borders. Very beautiful border it is. We are having jacquard weaving in both sides using gold jari. Excellent color, very colorful, beautiful creation, completely handmade with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. Here we have a new launch, a very beautiful new design, differently done, using all 3 zaris, the copper, silver as well as gold zari. A very mild and very beautiful saree it is. A dual tone color, peacock neck blue with very mild green color mix, that is almost a teal shade color. Very elegantly a stripes pattern is being done along with a double border that is done in a golden zari. You can see double borders on both sides, and we have a tri zari concept. Gold, silver as well as copper zari is used here. Vertically the stripes pattern is done using very little mango and a different geometric design. Beautiful work all over the saree. It comes in this way, and we have a contrast pallu as well. It is a red pallu with vertical zigzag lines pattern weaving, and we also have meena work in the pallu using silver zari, and same way the pallu color blouse piece is given with the double border concept in the blouse piece also. Excellent concept, new launch, very elegantly hand weaved with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp. A beautiful new launch in a stripes pattern. Tri-color zaris used, all three, like the copper, silver as well as the gold zari is used in one particular saree here. And here we have a beautiful colors too. And we also have a double border. You can see the borders on both sides. That is done in a very elegant copper zari here. And the saree color is almost a red and yellow mix, which gives a beautiful dual tone color to the saree, a mango goldish with a red tinge, and it is very, very beautiful. With the stripes pattern, very differently it's been weaved. You can see the butta design, mangoes as well as a vertical stripes pattern is very elegantly done in all three zaris, the copper zari, silver zari and gold zari. Alternatively, all over it's been used. Very beautiful, mild as well as very rich, very beautiful combination color too. With a red pallu, a deep red color, almost in a maroon shades, lighter starting shade with zigzag work, and we also have meena work in the pallu with the same color blouse piece. Excellent saree, beautiful hand weaved one with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, a very beautiful big border collection. An excellent and very different combination here. A dual tone pallu, orange and pink mixed color, peach shade, very beautifully it's been done with a gold zari, closely weaved beautiful design. Same color blouse piece, pallu color, and we have the borders in the blouse piece also, which can be used for the sleeves. A very beautiful blouse piece we will get, and we have a very different green. It is green that is pista and light green color, very beautiful color, and we have the mild turquoise tinge also, and we have the beautiful buttas here, kanji type typical buttas that is weaved using gold zari, and we have an 8-inch border at the top and a 10-inch border. The border is also on the base light orange color with fully gold zari work, completely hand woven beautiful saree, very different and rare combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, big border, beautiful collection for the festive season. We have an alluring combo here, a light sea blue and green mixed color, very elegant one with fully gold zari worked, excellent pallu. Same pallu color blouse piece with the border design in the blouse piece as well, which can be used for the sleeves. Here we have a beautiful dark pink color saree, always lovable, always demanded, beautiful color with kanji type beautiful buttas in gold zari. We have an 8-inch border in the pallu color base with gold zari weaving in the top and 10-inch border at the bottom. Big borders and beautiful one, completely hand woven too. Elegant one for the upcoming festive season with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful big border collection for the festive season. We have a beautiful combination colors too. A dark violet color, almost magenta and black mix. Violet it is, very elegant one with elegant pallu too, rich one. And the same pallu color blouse piece. Both sides we have border design which can be used for the sleeves. The saree is in a different blue shade. It's not a royal blue, neither peacock blue. It is a very different blue. Beautiful color, almost a teal blue shade. And we have the two different kind of buttas hand woven. 8 inches border at the top and a 10-inch border at the bottom. Jacquard weaving as well as gold zari used for the borders. The borders are on the base pallu color. Very elegant contrast nature saree. Very rich too. Completely hand woven. Comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful big border collection in alluring combination colors. Here we have a beautiful dark navy blue color pallu with beautiful work. Rich pallu it is with peacocks and jacquard weaving. And we have same color blouse piece. The blouse piece also have both side borders which can be used for the sleeves. A traditional combination here. Pink saree, magenta pink shade, beautiful one. You can see the buttas as well as the borders are completely in kanji type. The borders are in base violet color, blue into pink mixed color. It's jacquard weaving done using gold jewelry. 8-inch border at the top and 10-inch border at the bottom. Beautifully hand woven, very rich and elegant saree for your festive season with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful collection, a very rich and contrast combination colors. Here we have a green pallu with beautiful copper jari work, very excellent design, closely weaved elegant pallu, and same color blouse piece with the border designs in the blouse piece also, which can be used for the sleeves. It will come till the elbow and it is very rich. And here we have a beautiful magenta pink saree, very elegant color. Ever beautiful, ever lovable pink with hand weaving beautiful buttas, and we have an 8-inch border on the top and a 10-inch border at the bottom. Completely a copper jari work, beautiful jacquard weaving border, elegant design on green base. The combination is also very beautiful to enrich your festive season, and it's a handcrafted saree. It comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree. A very beautiful and alluring combination colors in a big border, rich sarees here. And here we have a beautiful green pallu with copper jari work, very elegantly closely weaved, very elegant pallu. Same color blouse piece with beautiful borders on both sides, which can be used for the sleeves. That itself will make the blouse very grand. And we have a red saree here, a chili red combination. Body is beautiful color, and the buttas are weaved perfectly, closely. It's also done in copper jari. A fine hand weaving, you can see the finish of the saree with 8-inch border at the top and 10-inch border at the bottom. The borders also, we have the copper jari work. A finely hand weaved, beautiful saree in excellent combination color to enrich your festive season with authentic silk.